In today's data-driven world, businesses are drowning in a sea of information. But are they truly harnessing its power? The key lies in choosing the right data storage solution. Are you missing out on insights because of the wrong data solution? Let's find out. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973 638 and 228. Our email address is contacts@businesscompassllc.us. Data Warehouse, the traditional powerhouse for structured data and complex queries. It excels in managing organized information, ensuring data consistency and integrity, ideal for enterprise-wide reporting and historical data analysis. Data Mart, agile and focused, perfect for department-specific analytics. It offers faster query performance and cost-effectiveness for targeted analytics, empowering individual departments with tailored insights. Data Lake, the modern repository for diverse data types and big data analytics. It supports structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, offering scalability and flexibility for advanced analytics and machine learning. Data Mesh, decentralized management with domain-oriented ownership. It emphasizes domain-specific data processing and analytics, improving data quality and decision-making speed. Data Fabric, seamless integration across diverse environments, eliminating data silos and enhancing accessibility. Storage capacity and scalability vary across solutions. Data lakes excel in storing massive amounts of raw data, while data warehouses focus on structured data. Consider your organization's data volume and processing needs to find the perfect fit. Query performance and latency are crucial. Data warehouses offer high performance for structured queries, while data lakes require optimization. Choose based on your organization's query complexity and frequency for efficient data processing. Assess your organization's specific data needs and future growth. Consider hybrid approaches for a balanced data strategy. By understanding each solution's strengths, make an informed decision. Empower your business with the right data storage solution.